In this video, I'm going to provide a complete technical overview for Bitcoin. I'll be using the market profile and trend lines on Bitcoin futures to conduct my analysis. We're seeing the first major reversal in quite some time, and technicals on this thing are perfect, so I figured it was a good time to drop this video. First, let's talk about this red trend line. This is a key downtrend that held for 6 months before breaking recently. You can see the resulting move and thus how important it was. In doing that, we also cleared major resistance at 17,603. That is now key support. Following that break, there was no resistance until 21,971, so we melted right on through it and got a small rejection. The thing with cryptocurrencies is, when they get going, they really get going, and thus you have to plan for moves 2 to 3 times the norm for instruments like stocks. Subsequently, after only 2 days of consolidation or sideways movement where we gather energy for the next move, we broke right through that resistance. This means that 21,971 is now the nearest important support, and it's critical that we hold it, because just like how we melted right up through that zone from 17,603 to 21,971, we will melt right down through it if we break back in. Easy come, easy go. For now though, there's no major resistance until 27,994, and it would be wise to plan for an actual rejection there. That's my primary target for this most recent move. I say that because if you look here on the weekly profile, that zone from 25,307 to 27,994 is almost entirely unfilled compared to the rest of the chart. Buyers and sellers did not have a chance to do business there, and it's likely we chop once we reach it before moving again. If we did break that too, the sky is really the limit, and there's no resistance again until 39,000. However, in such a choppy and fear-driven market for risk assets, you always want to plan for the worst. Let's talk about the bear cases. If we continue to my price target and then reject, at that point, anything down to 13,920 is fair game. You want to watch these levels in between for nearer term price action. As I mentioned before, this 21,971 level is critical and nearest to us. If we lose it, there's nothing until we once again reach 17,603. If we lose that, nothing until 13,920 is support. You can see that is also an area of unfilled volume, and that's why we spent so much time chopping in that area during the most recent lows, though we narrowly missed it. Right next to it is 12,753 support, and it's important at least one of these holds, because the only major support under that is 7,959. This video was not intended to spread doom and gloom, quite the opposite really. This is the best shot Bitcoin has had at bottoming in over a year, and the cleanest reversal move we've seen so far. It's just important to remain unbiased and think multiple steps ahead when trading anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates.